Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset tooltips in the Adobe Photoshop Express application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on Preferences. And you can just press on the last option here, which is Reset Tooltips. And you can just see that tooltips have been reset basically, and now you can just go back to the home page and you can just edit an image or do whatever you want to do. That's all you need to do in order to reset the tooltips, so it's pretty simple. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.